Hello students, in today's lecture you are going to learn relational operators in Python, logical operators in Python, if-else statement, if-else-if statement and some examples of if-else statement. Let us start. In Python, relational operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These relational operators are same as you learn in C language. So, I think there is no need to explain. Next is logical operators. Logical operators are and, or, not. Important note is all these logical operators should be written in lowercase only. Note this point. Next, if-else statement. Let us see syntax. If condition colon then these are spaces you have to use and then type a statement if condition is true. Means if this condition is true, these statements will executed. Else colon statements if condition is false. Write down this syntax on your notebook. Note that after the keyword you have to write condition and then colon. And then on the next line you have to use some indent. For example, 3 spaces, 4 spaces is called as indent. See, this is indent, means some space, and then you have to write these statements. If you want some more statements, you are going to type by indent like this. Okay. Again, second thing is there is how this condition will terminate. If you end this indent, that means there is end of if condition, and then you have to start with this else statement and then colon. Again, the statements in else are started with some indent. Okay, so this statement is started by keeping these number of spaces. Okay, if you want to write more statements, you have to keep that much space and then you have to type the statement. Okay. So this is the syntax of if-else statement. See some example. Before example, we will see next if-else if statement and its syntax. If condition 1 colon, if condition becomes true, these statements will be executed. This space must be used before starting the statement. If this condition is false, the next statement will be executed. Else if, ELIF means else if statements. In this else if statement, you can give number of conditions. If this condition becomes false, if condition 1 becomes false, then this else if condition will be executed. If this condition is true, this statement will be executed. And if condition 2 is false, next else if condition or else if statement will be executed. And condition 3 is true, then this statement is executed, else this statement will be executed. Note, after condition there is a colon. Condition 1 colon, else if condition 2 colon, else if condition 3 colon, else here is also a colon. Okay. See the example. Bonus equal to float in bracket input in bracket enter bonus amount bracket complete and second bracket of float is complete. If this is the condition, bonus equal to 2000 colon print by iron. Else if bonus equal to 5000 colon print by mixer. Else if bonus equal to 10,000 colon print by washing machine. See this example and the syntax also. Condition colon. If this condition is true, it will execute by iron. If this condition bonus equal to 2000 is false, then this else if statement will be executed. Else if bonus equal to 5000 colon by mixer. That means 2000 is not matched with bonus, so this statement will be executed. Bonus equal to 5000. If this bonus amount is 5000, it will print by mixer. And if this condition is false, then this else if statement will be executed. Bonus value is equal to 10,000, then by washing machine. Okay, so let us see the practical. This is the program file. First statement is comment line or comment statement, program for if else. So this is the input statement for bonus. Bonus is the variable where the amount of bonus will be stored. And if bonus 2000 by iron, else if bonus is 5000 by mixer, else if bonus equal to 10,000 by washing machine, else means if the amount is not 2000 or 5000 or 10,000. Other than these values, if bonus is entered, then print don't buy. Okay. So I will execute this program by run module. Enter bonus amount 2000. Enter. Output is buy iron. Again I will execute. Execute run module. Amount is 2000 by iron. Again run. Amount 5000 by mixer. $10,000 by washing machine. Other than, for example, 1000. Amount is other than 2000, 5000, 10,000 is, for example, 1000. Don't buy. So this is the example of if else if statement. Now this is the second example. This example explains the use of logical operator AND. Okay. See, marks equal to int in bracket input enter marks. Here the number or marks will be stored in the variable marks. Marks less than 40. If marks less than 40 colon print fail. Else if marks greater than 40 and marks less than 50 colon print pass, and so on. So note down how the condition is given and then colon. Then else if condition 1, condition 2 and then colon. Okay. You know logical operator AND means if the marks entered by user is 45, marks entered is 45, then this 45 is between 40 and 50 because it is greater than 40 and less than 50. So this condition becomes true. Greater than or equal to 40, 45 is greater than 40. So this is true. Condition 2 is marks less than 50 means 45 is less than 50. This is also true. When both conditions are true, this statement will be executed. So for marks between 40 to 49 are there, the result will be pass. If the marks are between 50 to 59, the result will be second class. If the marks are 60 to 74, result is first class. If marks greater than or equal to 75, result will be distinction. Therefore, for AND logical operator, both conditions should be true. Okay. So in this way, let us run this module. Run, enter marks. So I will give 35. 35 is, 45. Okay. Enter. Pass. Again run the module. Second class. Again run the module. Marks is 65. First class. Run. '85. Distinction. Now I will add else statement. Else colon. Else means the condition marks less than 40. Means if marks is not less than 40, again run. Marks 35. Fail. Okay. So in this way, try out logical operators also and if else statement also at home. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.